In the last class, I discussed about isomerism, and in that chain isomerism and positional isomerism. In this class, I am going to discuss functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism means two or more compounds with same molecular formula but different functional groups are present in that molecules. Then they are said to be functional group isomers, and that phenomenon is called as functional group isomerism. Two or more compounds with same molecular formula but different functional groups. Let us see one example. Alcohols and ethers. Alcohols and ethers. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Here formula is C3, 3 hydrogens, 2, here 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 8, C3H8O. Next, ether possibility. CH3, O, CH2, CH3. Here also formula is C3H8O. Two molecules having same molecular formula, but see the functional group. Here it is a alcohol functional group, here ether functional group. That's why these two molecules are said to be functional group isomers, and that phenomenon we are calling as functional group isomerism. Okay, see next example. Aldehydes and ketones and unsaturated ethers and unsaturated alcohols. Unsaturated alcohol. So these four types of compounds having different functional group. Let us see. CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O H. This is aldehyde. Ketones. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Here unsaturated ethers. CH2 double bond CH, CH2, O, CH3. Next unsaturated alcohol. CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH2, OH. See these four molecules contain same molecular formula. Total 4 carbons are present, and hydrogens 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 8. 8 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Here also same C4, H8, 1 oxygen. C4, H8, 1 oxygen. Here also C4, H8, 1 oxygen. Okay, 4 types of molecules contain same molecular formula but different functional group. Here aldehyde functional group, here ketone functional group, here unsaturation along with ether, and here unsaturation along with alcohol functional group. Okay, so that's why these 4 molecules are comes under functional group isomers, and that phenomena functional group isomerism. Let us see one more example. Cyanides and isocyanate. Cyanate and isocyanate. Let us see one example. CH3, C triple bond N. So this is cyanide. Next, CH3, N triple bond C. Here you see 2 carbons, 3 hydrogens, 1 nitrogen. Here also 2 carbons, 3 hydrogens, 1 nitrogen. These two molecules having same formula but functional group. Here functional group is cyanide, here functional group is isocyanate. That's why these two molecules are comes under functional group isomers. Let us see next example. Carboxylic acid, esters, hydroxy aldehydes, and hydroxy ketones. Hydroxy ketones. Okay, these 4 types of compounds. carboxylic acids, esters, hydroxy aldehydes and hydroxy ketones shows functional group isomerism. So let us see. CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, OH. Okay. Your formula is C4H8O2. Esters, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Here also formula is C4H8O2. So next, hydroxy aldehydes. CH3, CHOH, CH2, C double bond O, H. Here also formula C4H8O2. So next one, hydroxy ketones. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, OH. Here formula is C4H8O2. There is four types of compounds having same molecular formula C4H8O2. But see here functional group is different. Your functional group is carboxylic acid. Your functional group is ester. Your functional group aldehyde and alcohol group is there. And here ketone and alcohol group is there. Okay, same molecular formula. These four compounds having same molecular formula, but different functional groups. That's why these four compounds are comes under functional group isomers. Next possibility, nitro compounds and nitrites. Nitro compounds and nitrites. Let us see examples. CH3NO2 and CH3ONO. Here we see same molecular formula. Okay, CH3NO2. Here also CH3N2 oxygens. Okay, but functional group is different. Here nitro, here nitrite. So that's why these two compounds are comes under functional group isomers. Let us see one more example. Primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Primary, secondary and tertiary amines. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2, CH3, NH, CH2, CH3. Next, CH3, N, CH3, CH3. Okay, in this case, nitrogen bonded to only one carbon, that's why it is said to be primary nitrogen. Then here nitrogen bonded to two carbon, that's why it is said to be secondary. In this case, nitrogen bonded to three carbons, that's why it is said to be tertiary nitrogen. Here how many carbons are there? 3 carbons. Hydrogens 9. Nitrogen 1. Okay, C3H9N is the molecular formula. In this case also C3H9N. Here also C3H9N. Okay, these three type of compounds. Okay, these three types of compounds having same molecular formula but different functional group. That's why these are comes under functional group isomers. Let's see next examples. Keto and enol forms. Keto and enol forms. Okay, here keto. For example, CH3, C double bond O, CH3 and CH2 double bond C OH CH3. Here formula C3H6O. Here also formula C3H6O. Here you see formula of these two molecules same, but functional group here ketone functional group, here alcohol and one double bond is there. So that's why these two compounds are said to be functional group isomers. So let us see next example. Alkadines and alkanes. Alkadines and alkanes. Alkadine means two double bonds are present. Alkanes, one triple bond. Let us see example. CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond, CH2. Next, CH3, CH2, C triple bond, CH. Okay, here you see formula is C4 2, 3, 6. Here C4H6. Here also C4H6. Formula is same, C4H6, C4H6. But here double bonds are present. But here triple bond is present. Same molecular formula with two different functional groups. That's why these two molecules are comes under functional group isomers. Okay. Let us see next. Alcoholic and phenolic compounds. Alcoholic and phenolic compounds and also ethers with aromatic. Okay. Let us see examples. Benzene ring with CH2OH here. Phenolic group with CH3. Next OCH3. Okay, here you see benzene with CH2OH. Benzene OH CH3. Benzene OCH3. Okay, in this case formula is C7H8O. Here also C7H8O. Here also C7H8O. Okay, formula of these three compounds same, but functional group, okay, is different. That's why these are comes under functional group isomers. Let us see next example. Amide and oxime. Example CH3 C double bond O NH2, CH3 CH double bond N OH. CH3 C double bond O NH2 is amide. CH3 CH double bond N OH is oxime. Here formula is C2H5NO. Here also formula C2H5NO. These two molecules having same molecular formula but different functional group. Here amide is a functional group, here oxime is a functional group. That's why these two molecules are called as functional group isomers. Let us see next example. Glucose and fructose. So fructose structure CH2OH C double bond O H OH OH CH2OH here H H OH. Glucose formula CHO OH H H OH OH H OH H CH2 OH. Okay, here formula is functional group is CHO, here functional group is C double bond O. CHO means aldehyde, here C double bond O ketone. Same molecular formula but different functional group. In glucose aldehyde functional group, in fructose ketone functional group is there. That's why glucose and fructose comes under functional group isomers. Let us see one more example. Ammonium cyanate and urea. Ammonium cyanate and urea. Here formula NH4CNO and NH2 C double bond O NH2. Okay, 2 nitrogens and 4 hydrogens, 1 carbon and 1 oxygen, N2H4CO. Here also N2H4CO. That's why these two molecules contain same molecular formula but functional groups are different. Here functional group in ammonium cyanate is cyanate and here in urea functional group is amide functional group. That's why these two also comes under functional group isomers.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.